Okay guys, so looks like I have a little downtime today. Not a little, a lot. I have another layover. Unfortunately, my co-driver is not able to fly back Saturday night. It's now currently Sunday. Looks like there was some issue with payroll or his paycheck, but not to get into detail. But fortunately, I came back and I'm stuck here. I'm not rolling, I'm not moving, I'm not making any money. So I'm just lost in my thoughts right now, walking about, thinking about a higher power. I'm really wanting to make money every day, so for me, whenever that doesn't happen, I get kind of sad in, layman's terms. And I often think like, hey, well, what is the universe trying to tell me here? Do I need to ask people for help, or do I need to reevaluate my priorities, or do I need to start taking UFC fight classes, boxing courses, acting classes? What's going on? Why haven't I developed myself to be the person that I need to be? And I just really find it frustrating on days like today, where I'm trying to ambitiously go after a goal or something in mind where I want to achieve something, and there's a lot of obstacles and resistance. And for me, I think handling the resistance appropriately will help, but also identifying how to maneuver yourself through that and what you need to overcome your situation. So that's where I'm at today. As far as progress on videos, I have seen some improvement on my videos. Typically what I did is I just made some like kind of catchy song type stuff. To be honest with you, I really hesitate on doing kind of like the silly, funny stuff, because I'm naturally just kind of a more serious-minded person, like when it comes to business. But you also have to take into account that we are looking for viewership on YouTube. So although you may be like a straight up, serious business type, YouTube does not really go by that. It goes by the entertainment or the value of what you're offering the viewers, and sometimes that may be a form of entertainment. So it's a different and tricky process, because YouTube is merciless in some facets. They will adhere to viewership in terms of, like I said, entertainment value, regardless of the content or the intention or whatever the case may be of the content creator or what's taking place in the video. Not to say that it's all bad, but it doesn't really go by a certain standard of moral views. And I mean, there are guidelines YouTube has, but beyond those guidelines, you have to, I think most of you understand what I'm getting at. Like, you have millions of viewers that watch stupid videos that are literally titled stupid videos, or try not to laugh, or just dumb stuff that in and of themselves are very they don't really have any value other than just purely entertaining people with a short laugh, So that to me can be kind of frustrating, knowing that a lot of the viewership is just ridiculous stuff and things of that nature. So but yeah, that's kind of where I was. That's kind of where I have to figure out where I come into play and what I want to do about it, or what I want to, whatever. But yeah, I'm just hanging out in my truck, and anyway.